Blockchain is a new technology that lets people share information in a secure and tamper-proof way. It has been hailed as the next great thing in tech. It allows for peer-to-peer energy distribution, decentralized news media, and identity security. It offers transparency, accountability, and trust. It is highly scalable and resilient and provides a single source of truth for all participants. It's a database. Blockchain technology is a database that stores data in a decentralized fashion. It is secure because it uses cryptography to protect information stored on the network and to prevent any tampering. Additionally, it is transparent because it allows all the transactions to be recorded publicly. These features make it a useful tool for businesses that handle large volumes of financial assets. Despite its many benefits, blockchain databases require substantial upfront investments to implement. Moreover, they require skilled developers with operational blockchain expertise and appropriate infrastructure to support it. This makes it difficult for small companies to utilize this technology. Traditional databases rely on a central administrator to manage and store data, but blockchain technology removes this need. As a result, it is faster and more efficient than traditional databases. Moreover, it offers multiple options for customization, making it more user-friendly. This is important because it reduces the time required to find the right information. Another feature of blockchain is that it spreads its data across a large network of computers and devices. Every computer in the network maintains a copy of the blockchain and updates it whenever new data is added to the chain. This decentralized system ensures that the information is accurate and there is no single point of failure. The technology also provides greater transparency and security than other forms of data storage. Blockchain can be used to record anything of value, such as medical records or intellectual property. This helps companies to keep track of their assets, and it also creates an indelible record of transactions that is impossible to tamper with. In addition, it provides a faster way to send money online than traditional banking systems. For example, a transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain can take seconds to complete. This is because it avoids lengthy bank verification, settlements, and clearance processes. Moreover, the transparency and immutability of the blockchain can also help businesses build trust with their stakeholders. Unlike traditional databases, blockchain technology can be customized to fit specific business needs. It can be configured to record different types of data, and its decentralized nature means that no single computer can control the database. In addition, it can be set up to allow only certain people to access the database. This reduces the risk of data breaches, which can be costly for a company. It's secure. In a world where data is becoming increasingly important, blockchain offers a number of security benefits. It creates tamper-proof and immutable records that can be verified and trusted. It also helps ensure transparency and accountability for all participants. It is not without its risks, however. The technology is still evolving, so it's important to take the necessary steps to keep your data safe. Blockchain is secure because it is distributed across multiple computers and devices, allowing only authorized people to verify transactions. This means that there are no single points of failure and that it's difficult to hack the database. This is why blockchain has become popular for storing and managing digital assets. Moreover, the encryption used on blockchain networks protects private information from hackers and other threats. To access or add data, users must have two cryptographic keys, a public key and a private one. In addition, the blockchain network verifies each transaction through a process called hashing, which uses computational work to make sure that each block contains accurate information. This process eliminates human error and makes the network more secure. Another advantage of blockchain is that it can be used to store and share large amounts of information. It can be especially helpful in the case of global transactions, as it allows you to record and track multiple events simultaneously. This can help businesses avoid wasting money on shipping and handling fees, while also providing a clear audit trail for all parties. As an added benefit, blockchain can make international money transfers less expensive and faster than traditional services. The system also provides a way to validate and monitor the accuracy of financial records, which is especially important in countries with high rates of fraud. In addition, the blockchain's inherent transparency can help reduce the risk of fraudulent activity by enabling all network participants to see identical transaction information. This transparency allows for quicker recognition and resolution of inconsistencies, which in turn enhances trust and network accountability. Blockchain has many potential applications in government, including the management of identity records, contracts, and public sector services. For example, it can be used to track and verify transactions between citizens and agencies, as well as to provide a secure environment for e-governance. It's fast. Blockchain technology is gaining traction as an alternative to traditional financial systems. It has the potential to solve trust issues by enabling a more secure and transparent digital ledger for transactions. It has also helped reduce costs and time for many business processes. Blockchains are designed to be immutable, which means that once information is recorded on them, it can never be changed. This feature makes it ideal for businesses that need to record and share information securely. The most well-known use of blockchains is Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency that has grown in popularity over the past few years. However, the technology has a much wider range of applications. Some of the more popular uses include supply chain management, smart contracts, cybersecurity, and Internet of Things, IoT. These features make blockchains a valuable tool for companies looking to reduce their operational costs and improve security. Another benefit of blockchain is its ability to record data quickly. Blockchains are able to do this because of their decentralized nature, which helps to ensure that information is accurate and not manipulated. Each block on a blockchain is linked to previous blocks using a combination of nonces and hashes, which are used to verify the integrity of the data. This process takes place across a network of computers, which creates an inherent blockchain security system. Blockchains can also be used to record any type of data, including votes in elections, product inventory, state identifications, and deeds to homes. This allows organizations to bypass third-party intermediaries, which can save them money and time. However, there are some challenges with implementing blockchain technology. Some of these challenges include the complexity of coding and the need to ensure that all records are identical across the network. Perhaps the most significant advantage of blockchain is that it can record and transfer information over a wide network without centralized servers. This means that banks and other financial institutions no longer have to wait for checks to clear, which can take up to 3 days. This technology also offers banks the ability to work more closely with customers. Moreover, it can speed up the processing of deposits and withdrawals. This can make a significant difference in the banking industry, which is still adjusting to the digital age. It's decentralized. Blockchain is a digital database that contains records of transactions in a permanent and verifiable way. The technology is based on cryptography and distributed across computers in a peer-to-peer network. The system is resilient and can be used for many applications. Blockchains can be either public or private. A public blockchain allows anyone with an internet connection to participate in the validation process and extend the chain, while a private blockchain has strict rules and is restricted to business networks. There are also hybrid blockchains which combine elements of both public and private chains. Blockchain has the potential to disrupt many industries, including those in finance and business. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries and reduces costs and processing times. The technology can also improve transparency and security. For example, blockchain technology can be used to track the origin of products in supply chains and encourage sustainable practices. It can also be used to automate contracts and reduce paperwork. Its scalability and security make it an ideal solution for storing large amounts of data. The blockchain structure enables it to be highly resistant to manipulation and fraud. The chain is made up of blocks, each containing information about previous transactions and linked to the block before it. The blocks are grouped together to form a chain-like structure, and once a block is added to the blockchain, it can't be changed later. The blockchain's integrity is assured by a consensus algorithm that validates and adds new transactions to the system. The blockchain's encrypted structure makes it a secure record-keeping tool, especially in the context of financial services. For instance, It could help to expedite home sales by verifying finances and reducing fraud. It could also be used by media companies to protect intellectual property rights. Moreover, the blockchain's immutability makes it an excellent choice for storing big data. It is highly resistant to hacking since the records are verified by thousands of computers at once. This also reduces the chances of human error. It is also transparent and has end-to-end encryption, which is an important feature for sensitive information.